Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book flight tickets online in British Airways. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for British Airways. Okay, so just type out British Airways. That's right, and you'd be able to see this first website, so just simply click on this one. Okay, and then after that, you'll be directed to this page. And of course, before booking a flight ticket, you have to log in or sign up for an account. So just click on this option at the top right. Okay, that's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, if you don't have an account yet, you have to join them. Okay, so you have to register and make sure that all of your information, the information that you are going to provide, are correct. Okay, now going back here, assuming that we are done making our account here on this booking website, we can now book our flight. Okay, so right here, as you can see at the tab, I am searching for flight plus hotel, flight plus car, hotel only, and car only. So what we're going to do is to select the flight option. Okay, that's right. And then here we have to select the fare. So I'm just going to select one-way ticket. Okay, now you just have to type out right here the city or the country that you are flying from. So make sure that the British Airways is available on that specific location. Okay, so here you can type three letters. Okay, so let me just try here Manila, Philippines. And then here you have to fill out using the name of the country that you are flying to. So for example, UK. So I'm just going to tab out right here UK or United Kingdom. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, and then after that you have to select your departure date since we only choose the one-way ticket for this flight. Okay, so just simply click on it, and then you have to select your date. So click on this calendar icon right here and then select your date. Okay, so I'm booking a flight for September 25. That's right. And then for the travel class or the cabin type, we have to select our preferred choice. So here I am traveling in economy, premium economy, we have business, first class, and we also have the flexible ticket. So I'm just going to select economy for this one. Now for the number of passengers, you just have to go here. Here we have the adult section, the young adults, the children, and the infants. So I'm just going to travel alone. So I'm just going to add here the adult section, one only. That's right. And then after that, you can now click on define flights option. So just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, and then right here, the next thing that you're going to do is to select the available flights. Okay, so as you can see, there are no direct flights for this route. So here we are going to select a connecting flight from the options below. So we have here the connecting flights. Okay, so from Manila, Philippines to this location right here. Okay, so we have here the prices for economy and for the premium. Okay, and we also have here business. So for this one, I'm just going to select this flight itinerary. Okay, now for the flight details, before you book this one, you have to check the flight details right here. That's right. So we have here from Manila to London. We have this 9:30 from Manila, and then the airline is Philippine Airlines, and we have here the details of the aircraft. And for the depart Manila, we have Terminal 1 on Thursday, 25 September at 9:30, and you will be arriving in Singapore, Terminal 1 Thursday on the 25th September, okay, at 1:20. So the duration of this flight is about 3 hours and 50 minutes. That's almost 4 hours. So we also have here the economy selling class E, and then for the premium economy selling class E. Okay. And then here we have and since this is a connecting flight, you have to wait until your connecting flight. Okay, so we have 9 hours and 20 minutes. Okay, now if you're good to go, the next thing that you're going to do is to click on it. Okay, and here we have the economy, checked baggage, and the premium economy. So you just have to choose your preferred choice. So I'm just going to select this one. That's right, and then just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Now right here, just have to review your flight. Okay, now after reviewing your flight, you can also apply here a voucher. Okay, you can use a promotional code or a voucher. And right here, this is your total price that you need to pay. So by submitting continue, you agree to the fare conditions. Okay, so here if you want to see your price breakdown, you just have to see that right here. So we have here price per item, okay, and our total. Then after that, you just have to click on agree and continue. Okay, and of course, right here, you have to input the passenger details or your complete information. So here you have the title, your first name that is written on your passport, last name. Okay, and then if you're a frequent flyer program, then you can also fill out this section. Now, for your contact details, make sure that your email address is correct so that you can receive all of the important SMS updates from them about your flight, and you also need to provide them with your mobile number. Okay, so you have here your email and then the country code and then your phone number. Okay, and again, we have here our the total of our payment. And then after that, just click on continue. And the next thing that you're going to do is to pay for this flight ticket. Okay, so you just have to add your payment information. Okay, and then if you want to use your card, then you have to input the details of your card on the next step. Then after that, you just have to confirm your booking. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.